Welcome to my daily HR Metrics series by Nicolas Bebani. When a CEO publicly announces that their massive delivery workforce of 700,000 people will sooner or later be completely replaced by robots, the immediate global reaction is fear. But if you look past the sensational headlines, a much more profound blueprint for the future of work is unfolding. Welcome back to the Daily HR Metrics. Today we are looking at a massive structural shift happening at GD.com, the inevitability of physical automation, and the philosophical challenge facing modern operational leaders. When humanoid robots step into our warehouses and walk alongside us, do we count them in the company headcount? To answer that, we are introducing a vital new measurement, the Blended Headcount Index, BHI. Recently, the founder of GD.com confirmed that robots will inevitably take over the delivery routes, but he followed it with a massive mandate, stating he refuses to let his 700,000 workers go without jobs. Instead of mass layoffs, GD.com has partnered with 120 schools to systematically retain their couriers. The delivery drivers of today are being upskilled to repair, maintain, and manage the very autonomous machines that are taking their routes. Technology is not simply rendering the human worker obsolete, it's forcing the elevation of the human worker from laborer to overseer. While the corporate world has been mesmerized by software-based AI agents, the next frontier is physical automation. This creates a fascinating challenge for workforce planning. If a company of 100,000 transitions to 30,000 humans and 70,000 autonomous robots, how do you measure the true size and productivity of that enterprise? To govern this new reality, organizations must track the Blended Headcount Index, BHI. The formula is total autonomous robots deployed divided by your total human full-time equivalent plus total autonomous robots. The BHI gives you a percentage representing your reliance on non-human operational labor. A BHI of 0.70 means 70% of your physical operational headcount is autonomous. As this index rises, your human capital strategy must completely pivot. HR is no longer just managing people, it's governing the friction, collaboration, and maintenance between a blended workforce. The true differentiator for organizations moving forward will not be how fast they deploy robots, but how effectively they transition their human capital to manage those new systems. Let me know in the comments, where do you stand on the headcount debate? Should autonomous robots be classified as company headcount? I will see you tomorrow for another new daily HR metrics. For your daily dose of learning in people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and like the page at Nicolas Beban.